Thanks, Sajith. As you talked about, Dynamics 365 now allows for field service to be included in the new unified client experience. So let's go through that unified client experience and show you what's new and changed in things like work orders and bookings. So as you can see here, everything that's available to me as an end user is now available through an app mode. So I can now put all my field service objects into app mode and have access to them through the unified client experience. Let's now look at a work order and actually see what's changed there. So things like this process ribbon, of course, has been enhanced and changed and made more accessible. And as I move through this work order, I can see all my objects are available here. And it really enhances the look, feel, and speed of the application for an end user very quickly and easily. In addition to moving into the unified client experience, we've also added in the ability to take 3D objects and embed them into field service. Why is this handy? As a technician, I deal with things in real life, which 2D objects like pictures don't often allow me to capture that makes sense to me. So we can take those objects in 3D form and do things like assembly instructions and disassembly instructions quickly and easily for the user in a form they're used to seeing. We're going to show this to you in two ways. The first way is through the web client. The second way is going to be through your mobile phone. So here I am on the web client. You notice I can have 3D models. Those 3D models are linked to assets, which allows me to have an asset, that customer location, with a model associated with it for each one of the different types I have here. I'm going to open up my KA satellite receiver, courtesy of NASA. And as you can see here, here is my 3D model. Now, this is real, so I can actually, using my surface, I'm actually dragging the model around, and it's actually having the animation while I'm dragging the model around. So I can zoom in or zoom out to see part details or how things fit together quickly and easily. Now, from a desktop, that's very, very cool. But what if I'm a technician who's in the field, maybe not near a desktop, not near my phone, or maybe the equipment I'm working on doesn't allow me to use or doesn't want you to use a HoloLens for mixed reality. So I'm going to switch over my phone now. And so here I am on my phone. As you can see, here's the resource hub that was released this past release. And you notice we added to it a three-dimensional models item. I'm going to click on the KA band reflector. And just like you saw on my desktop, here is my 3D model of that KA reflector band. And I can actually click it, move it, pinch and zoom, all things I'm used to doing right here from my mobile device with no additional hardware or software required. It's all directly embedded in Dynamics 365.